S&P 500, market update, AVGO, AMD, Skyrocket or Cooldown, UPS, PayPal, SoFi, and AVGO. And also we will discuss about the earnings for tomorrow. And my dear brothers and sisters, I start with the name of God, and this is your show, Trade with Harp from San Francisco. Let's begin. So first thing first, let's see S&P 500 today. So if you will see here, S&P 500 we already talked about this wedge pattern all week long. We discussing about the same wedge pattern, same trend line. So I'm not going there. If you will see, this is the red candle that showed up. This is S&P 500 printed a textbook bearish engulfing reversal candle, a powerful sign of a potential trend shift. What does that mean? We gapped up at the open, but once the price completely reversed and closed below the last 2 days of trading. So this is 1 day, 2 days, and this is reverse. This by textbook is a reversal engulfing bearish candle. So this is closed below. I hope you will see it below it. This is the 9 EMA, the blue line is 10 EMA, 20 EMA, and this is 50 EMA. This green line is technically a stop loss. If somebody doing a swing trade on a weekly basis, so this will be the stop loss. If you are trading in days, so this will be your stop loss in a 4-hour chart. We're not going there right now, but I'm just explaining what this chart belongs to. And these are the area of demand. All the green lines are the area of demand where the buyers like to buy. So this will be another way. This is a support here. If it's come, mostly these candle, when this candle showed up, this pattern often proceed 2 to 5% pullback, and right now the SPX looks like a vulnerable. But still we have a trend line. The trend line is still over here. And this is all about S&P 500. If you have any questions, please write a comment. I will explain further. And let's go overall market. May you pull up? Yeah. The Dow Jones closed down. Nasdaq dropped 0.39%. S&P 500 finished down 0.33%. All the three major indices are red today. And then Nvidia down, Apple down. Let me see this is my Discord channel. I posted this information already here before I posted the video in a YouTube. So you will see more idea clearly. As soon as I made my update, I posted over here on my Discord channel. This is a free channel just for a communication and learning. And this is all about educational purpose. I'm not your financial advisors. You will take your own responsibility and own risk. And tomorrow we have earnings. So this is all for informations. Earning after close today, we already have this. And Mara have a very good earning. He's not here, but Mara got a very good earning. And I also got entry in Mara today. Let's go about now. Okay, so next is Bitcoin is down today. So be cautious this week, especially in small caps. We could see sharp moves in either directions. Stay light, stay flexible, and watch those support levels. What do you mean by that, support levels? Let me explain you with an example. So yesterday I was wrong. In my video when I did a chart analysis or SoFi, I according to my chart analysis, I don't predict market. I just only do a chart analysis. And my chart analysis telling me yesterday it was overbought. If you look my video below, I explained this is the overbought zone. RSI was overbought, and then it's likely pull back. But when the market open, it has a gap up. And when a gap up, it go all the way to $25. So what does it mean? The chart telling us wrong? No. Chart never lies. Chart always tell you what exactly going to be happen. So why it happened and why go against us? It's trend. So let me explain to you. SoFi had a monster day. Being a both revenue, it beat both revenues and EPS. Price tripped to $25, then pull back. Why? That's known pivot resistance zone. This is what I was talking yesterday, because my job is to analyze the chart, not the price. So my chart telling me is overbought and it's coming back. It's pulling back. So but there was a pullback. There's first is a gap up, and then overbought condition may lead to a healthy pullback to $21. So I didn't made an entry in the SoFi because my chart telling me is overbought. So and then I didn't make an entry, but I also made here's my strategies for my all the entries. So SoFi I made like if the price come over here, will be my entries. So the price yesterday was, I want to explain to you what I did. So price was over 21, 22, and then this is breakout entry. So when in the morning gap up, the price go over 22, I know is already breakout. So I got entry over here. And as soon as, because this is help, what knowledge help you? What knowledge tell you and how you can do your things smartly. It's not always, I'm not a smart guy, I'm just telling you what chart's telling me. So what chart's telling me is overbought, but this is a breakout, and I was expecting breakout after this first reversal, then breakout. As I mostly teach my students here in San Francisco. So once you get a reversal, you can do some entry here, and then you can use some entry over here. So you can divide your assets in two different lines. One here in the reversal. You can also divide reversal in further two range, and then you can also add some in a breakout. And then similarly, you will sell on the way to 25. So these are the exit points. As you did entry, my job is to teach how to do a better entries and exits and what are the support levels. So these are the entries. If you will see today, this is I made yesterday, and then if you will see now, the market will come back over on these price, and it will come here and stop here for a minute, rest here or rest here, then going most likely come back, and this will be my stop loss. And then I see breakouts. As soon as what charts knowledge help you, I want to explain you with an example. So as soon as I see the price 25, I sold everything right away, because I know now it's time to come back. As soon as I see the 25 number printed, I'm out of the market. Now the price come back to here. I made some, okay. This is all for educational purpose. So help you to understand. So this is my all, these everything's you will see. Would have a reversal here, breakout here, stop loss here, according to my 2 hour, 4 hour and daily chart analysis. It means these are the entries for weeks, 1 week or less. You can say 1 day to maybe 2 weeks, because I use a daily chart. If I use a weekly chart, then it will be weekly basis, but it's not a weekly basis entry. So this is only for a few days to 1 week or 2 week maximum. So all about here. This I'm not discussing with you. If you have any interest to do a chart analysis, yeah, PayPal is on my list today. So let's see PayPal. So let's say this is the reversal, breakout, stop loss, and exits. So go for PayPal. What happened with that? PayPal is, let me pull up my chart here. This is because this was I explained on a chart analysis. is bullish, but it's going to be reversed today. This is one is puzzling. I had a double beat on earning and strong Venmo growth, yet it gapped down hard. Sometimes the market just tells the news. Watch 67 and 68 support, and the trend line at the 66 and $78. So this is the demand zones. So it will be 60, yeah, over here. This is the first demand zone, 67. Let me see over here, because I can't remember all the numbers. Okay, so reversal here, and then this is a breakout, and the second level, he's not here. The second reversal, okay, this is a second, I mean, stop loss is a second entry. If somebody already made the entry over here, then this will be the stop loss. But if somebody didn't make any entry, so this stop loss will be that person's new entry. This was explained here. This was the here. If somebody making a brand new entries, if somebody buy over here, this will be the, yeah, you understand. So 67, this is the second level of support, and this will be look like a very strong support according to my chart analysis. So you can see the bigger picture now. So here, support here, resting here, consolidation zone here. This is one here, you can see double top here, one top, not double top, but, and this was second. This is the PayPal. Let's go AVGO, because now I explain everything in a detail. All others stock I will do very quick. And if you have more questions about entries, stop loss, and how you can, I can also show you how you make your stop loss. So for example, I'm sorry, I don't make, this is not my topic here, but because I also use the same video for the market update and trading strategies, educational basis, and also indicators. If I want to know my stop loss, for example, over here, my current price, what is my current price here? I bought, for just taking the example, I bought at $71.45. Let's say $71.50, make it even figure. And I bought at $71.50. What is the ATR here for the daily map? What is ATR? This thing came from my mentor, Christopher. He was teaching this way. It's not my idea. I'm not that kind of, you don't think I invented or created. No, this idea from somebody, another great mentor from Wall Street. His name is Christopher. So the $2.22. So what I will do, I will divide $2.22 by 2. So let's say $1.11. And current price is $7.50, for example, $71.50. $71.50 minus half of this ATR. This will be my stop loss. So it will be 61 and approximately 61 40 cents. This will be my stop loss. So this way you will minimize your risk, and also don't want to spend too much money on the stop loss. So I hope you understand. So every stock, go to ATR, divide by 2, and that divide by 2 minus your buying price. And again, if you buy the price and the support, this ATR will help better. This is why we have here, these are the supports. For example, we have right now on the chart PayPal. So this is the support. So wherever you support, this is where you can do your stop loss. Next is Palo Alto. Yes, this is my neighboring city. I'm in San Francisco. Still dropped, but still didn't break that trend line. How you can see still in a trend? This is another way I will teach you here. Open a trend line, make a line here. Something you can do from here maybe. Yeah. So this is the way you can find. It didn't touch yet. Still looks good. Once it close below this trend line, then is a danger, and then will be next level will be here 187. If this break, then it will not stop anywhere here, it come all the way here. That's why we have a stop loss, because you will buy here and you give ATR. Let me see ATR. What is ATR? ATR is $6.71. so let's say $5.71. so let's say $6. so 6 divided by 2, $3. $3 minus 193. If somebody buy here 190, so I will buy 90, and if the 190 missed, then it will go all the way here. Then buy again, make a new entry over here 166, but you have to wait week. This is another way. What is discipline? This is my discipline. If I hit stop loss and price come here 176 and coming up, I will not buy, because this is not a discipline. I already made my discipline. Either I buy here or over here. I will not buy anywhere in between. If you will follow the discipline, if the price come here, for example 173, and go all the way up and you missed, that's okay. But you can buy again here 180, 188, because this is your entry. You already made a strategy. I will buy here 188, 187, and I buy at 166. These $1 to $2 plus minus is okay, is positive, is okay. You can buy here, here, that's okay. That's price range. It's not exact price. But I will not buy here because this is not my plan. So if you will keep the plan, you will success in tradings. This is why this Wall Street use it. They buy here, they buy here. So buy with institutions, buy with investors. Don't buy alone. If you buy alone, you will be screwed. Buy with demand, buy with the institution, buy with, you can see all the bigger picture. Buy, you can see a bigger picture. Buy with the institutions. Institution buying here, investors buying here. Why are you buying here then? Why are you buying here? No. Buy here, buy here, buy here. And go with the trend. Trend is your friend. This is the way we explain. I hope I explained you what is a trend, how trend is your friend, and what is a stop loss, and how you make entries, what is a support, what is a resistance. And this will make your trading far ahead of long way, man. Okay, so hope it works for you guys. And yeah, earning seasons. What is equal to earning seasons? Earning season equal to opportunities. So today's video I break down AMD, UPS, PayPal, SoFi. So UPS is maybe left. Okay, UPS you can see here already in the demand zone. Why? Because why UPS dropped? Anyone know? Idea? Moving to UPS, which took a big hit after earning. Although they beat on revenue, they missed EPS by 0.83%, and the layoff 20,000 workers. Plus, facility closures spooked investors. This reasons Amazon's self-delivery model a massive red candle on the chart, but spot is holding around $82. So this will be your spot. You buying at the spot, not anywhere else. So you going back over here. Spot zone, demand zones. Let's say weekly. Double top here, almost. Yes, double top, demand zone, swing trade. Hope I answered your questions. What's next? Let me see. We've finished everything over here. S&P 500. Yes. If you have anything else, write me a comment. I can explain you. AVGO, SoFi, SP, AMD. AMD. Yeah, let me finish this one too as well for you. Somebody asked me AMD. Okay, so what are you looking in the chart? Let me zoom in. What is AMD? Is anything looks, everything looks good? With a new chip on the way and a rising production cost, investors' enthusiasm is surging. But let's stay grounded. AMD is up 130% since April. So it go all the way up 130% since April lows. This chart is not a sphere overbought territory, it's a sphere. So is already in an overbought zone. It may go to $1 or $2 higher. You see the red line here. This is another resistance, but it may or may not go or come back here. So this will be your resistance, and this most likely pull back. But I'm not your financial advisor, so you can do your own chart analysis. I'm just telling you what my chart telling me on a daily chart. Weekly, this is mechanical RSI telling me is overbought. Is a color change, and on the daily is already. So you guys take your own decisions. No pullback, keep going higher and higher every day. So be careful. Support level 157.91 and a resistance 187.25. So this will be my resistance. This came from this indicator. Which indicator is this one? I'm sorry, it's not here. Okay, maybe this one. No. Okay, anyway, I'll find out later. Oh, toolkit maybe. Yes, from here. It's called Trading Toolkit. You can find this one in your trading view as well. Here's the indicator's name. So this will be your next 187.25, and this will be your another 173, and the major support is 157.91. This will be my buy zone. So this will be my buy zones. But everyone have their different strategy, own plans. So this will be my plan, but you don't need to follow my plan. This is for an educational purpose. I'm just explaining you the chart analysis, but you can do your own chart analysis, own strategies. And if you have any questions, you can ask me here. And thank you very much for watching. God bless you.